Hi, my name is Dr. Tom Earhart. I am a dentist with Prairie Rose Family Dentistry, and on this episode of our Myth series, I'm going to discuss the dental myth: you only need to go to your dentist if your teeth hurt. This is a very common misperception about oral and dental care. A lot of people believe if their teeth don't hurt, they don't need to seek dental care. This is a very troubling myth that can lead to harmful and irreversible consequences that I actually see quite often. Every week I see a patient who has had zero pain with a tooth but has severe decay and it is no longer restorable. So patients will unknowingly let it get to the point of breaking, thus finally leading them to the dental chair. They hope the tooth can be filled, only to find out that the tooth is no longer restorable and that it has to be extracted. If we had that patient in regularly for exams and cleanings, we would have caught the cavity at an early stage and repaired it minimally and comfortably without the fear or potential of root canal therapy or extraction. The same is true for an infection. Often patients may notice some swelling in the gums around a tooth but have no pain. They have an infection, an active infection in the tooth or their gums, but don't seek dental care because it does not hurt. These infections will spread and get worse over time. They will not go away on their own. Signs and symptoms come and go, but the infection will not go away unless dental care is sought out. These infections can be harmful and destructive to supporting bone and structures around the teeth and lead to tooth loss. Dental infections also stress the entire immune system and exacerbate other systemic health conditions like heart disease and diabetes. Infections of the gum tissue and diseases of the gums and jawbone also present with no pain quite often. Again, these patients are especially at more risk if they are diabetic or have other inflammatory diseases. This is where dental concerns reach beyond the mouth. The entire body can be affected from inflammation or bacterial-related problems in the mouth. So the next time someone has no pain but suspects a dental problem, they should come in sooner rather than later for the sake of their teeth and their overall health. Simply stated, cavities, cracks, infections, and things of that nature of the teeth and gums often present with no pain. But don't let that fool you. It may cost a patient the entire tooth and lead to problems beyond the oral cavity. So the myth, you only need to go to the dentist if your teeth hurt, has been busted. Thanks so much for watching our video. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more content like this, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.